Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Today we're making Pozole Rojo, a cozy Mexican hominy soup with tender meat and a rich red chili broth. We'll start with preparing the meat and hominy, then move on to the chili sauce. Hominy is dried corn that has been treated so the kernels puff and soften. It looks like jumbo corn and has a slightly chewy bite that holds up well in soup. You can buy canned hominy, which is already cooked and only needs rinsing, or dried hominy, which takes hours to soak and simmer. For beginners, canned hominy is easier and still tastes great. Most classic Pozole Rojo uses pork. Good cuts include pork shoulder, pork butt, or pork loin. A slightly fatty cut gives the broth more flavor and body. If you prefer lighter meat, you can use chicken thighs or a mix of pork and chicken. To build the broth, place the meat in a large pot with water or stock, onion, garlic, and a bay leaf. After a long, gentle simmer, you get tender meat and a savory base ready for the chili sauce. The red chili sauce, choosing the right dried chilies. The deep color and main flavor of Pozole Rojo come from dried red chilies. Common choices are guajillo, which tastes mild, slightly sweet, and a bit tangy. Ancho, which tastes rich, earthy, and a little fruity. Arbol, which is small and adds real heat. Most home cooks use guajillo and ancho, and add a few arbol chilies if they want it spicier. To use dried chilies, remove stems and most of the seeds. Toast them lightly in a dry pan for a few seconds per side, just until fragrant. Then soak them in hot water until soft. Blend the softened chilies with some onion, garlic, and broth. If you like a smooth soup, strain the sauce to catch any bits of skin. Some people mix in a spoon or two of store-bought red chili paste to save time or boost color. Fresh toppings that make Pozole Rojo bright and crunchy. Toppings turn Pozole Rojo into a fun, customizable meal. Common garnishes include shredded cabbage or lettuce, for fresh crunch. Sliced radishes, for bite and color. Chopped onion, for sharp flavor. Lime wedges, for acidity that wakes up the broth. Mexican oregano, for aroma. Avocado slices, for creaminess. Tortilla chips or tostadas, for extra crunch on the side. Each topping changes the experience. A squeeze of lime cuts through the richness. Cabbage and radish make each spoonful feel lighter. Avocado softens the heat. Let guests build their own bowl so everyone can find their perfect balance. How to make Pozole Rojo at home step-by-step guide. You do not need a strict recipe card to start. Think of the process in 3 main steps: cook the meat and hominy, make the chili sauce, then bring everything together and top it well. Prep the hominy and cook the meat until tender. If you use canned hominy, open the cans and rinse the kernels under cold water. Set them aside. If you want to use dried hominy, soak it overnight, then simmer it until tender before you start the soup. Place your pork in a large pot and cover it with water or stock. Add a chunk of onion, a few garlic cloves, a bay leaf, and a little salt. Bring the pot to a gentle boil, then lower the heat to a simmer. Cook for about 1.5 to 2 hours, or until the pork is very tender and easy to shred with a fork. The meat and hominy are cooked and ready. Next, we'll blend the red chili sauce and combine everything for a flavorful soup. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.